White Glove Auto, we have a 2025 AMG G63 G-Wagon. We are doing a $12,000 full stealth PPF on this car. So this is a $200,000 car. It is brand new, has 28 miles on it. Drove here straight from the factory to get the full PPF stealth film. Flex seal. And we're back. Thanks for watching the commercial break here, boys and girls. Brother is trying to get this PPF off of the back of the backing without the backing and the PPF falling off of the glass board. It's not going so well, as you can see. So like he was saying, it is Friday. Pretty much all that's left in the shop is this G63. So we're pretty much gonna all be tackling from different angles. Me and Dan already got the roof knocked out. I got most of the front bumper done. Abby and Tyler are doing a lot of the smaller sections. These gloss black are also getting PPF, not matte, but gloss. I'll probably end up tackling the mirrors next or the trunk. So we're just gonna keep going at it here. Hopefully we get this thing wrapped up mostly by the end of the day. And if Dan's gotta work through the weekend, sorry Dan, that's just how it is.
I think it's a bulk hybrid, but he also said with his assistance.
Was he ready?
Yeah, I already told him you're putting it on, so just do it. He's ready. He's gonna come out any minute. It'd be surprising to me if he had to do it without his assistance as well, so it's not an easy one.
Oh, just not good enough. Okay, I get it.
It's hard. Nothing to do with your skill level, it's just the hard hood. So the reason I had Dan come over and help Chance on that hood was because those front corners on that hood require so much stretch. And this hood was actually cut out as a bulk hybrid where it's pattern cut towards the windshield of the hood around the vent, but the front has a bunch of extra overhang. It's really important that that hood is stretched correctly because if it's not, those front two corners of the hood with all that curvature are gonna fail and you're gonna get a bunch of fingers on the wraparound. So I wanted someone with Dan's experience to come over and help Chance just to make sure that the job is done correctly, done once, and we won't have any redos on it.
I want to do this headline.
Here, take the camera. Take that and I'll,
How do you control this though?
I don't know, you gotta figure that out.
Okay. You figure that out.
Hey guys.
Oh,
Hey,
This is deleted off that fender on that Jeep. Trim delete.
Well, sorry, Captain.
Huh?
I already knew that.
Oh, it's deleted off the doors too?
Yeah. Ah, it's burning.
I'll be spending all weekend just coming back behind all these rookies, fixing all this shit.
This G-Wagon has such a high price point that the customer paid to get this install done. And that is because there are painted panels all over this car. There are so many panels on this car that require a lot of stretch, a lot of time put in to get this job done right, which is why the price comes out to $10,000 plus. It's done with stealth film, which is a more expensive paint protection film, and a lot of hours of labor put into this job to do it correctly to our quality standards. And that's why you see such a high price tag. One other thing we're doing on this G-Wagon here is we're installing windshield protection film. It's essentially the same type of protective film, but for your front glass windshield that it is for the paint. So we're adding that on. I'm about to install that now.
We're back here working on the G-Wagon. We're almost finished up. We only got one or two more pieces to throw on here. Right now, I'm just going over edges and doing our final trims. One of the hard things about these G-Wagons is they have a bunch of trim pieces that you have to, make a tight fit up against. This is also a white stealth film that we're putting on there. It's easy to catch dirt on edges and stuff like that. So we're trying to make sure we're as far over the edge as possible so you don't see any of that dirt built up on the edges, and then just buttoning up the final touches. So
I just work here, So right now we're just installing this trim piece on this wheel cover because everything is getting PPF'd. Even this white part has to match perfectly. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna line it up because this seal is kind of weird, but we'll get on there.
So basically what I'm doing now is just throwing heat on all these edges, making sure they're sealed down, because the last thing you want to do is have the customer leave here, then they drive it for, you know, a couple weeks and a bunch of dirt gets up under the film. So basically just going over all the edges, making sure they're all sealed down, throwing heat on them, and then addressing anything that we need to address trimming wise, or if we see any flaws, like maybe we left some contamination somewhere or something, then we address it at this point. So as you guys can see, it's a very big piece. Yep. Just like that. Don't even have to squeegee it, we just throw it on there. Scares the PPF on, huh? I wish I could do that. I'd make a lot of money. I'd be driving, yeah, definitely a TRX. That'd be one of the cars. All right, where was I? Oh, I was doing edge tape, actually. That's what I was doing. Yeah, no. Since when have we ever had matte edge tape?
Have you ever asked for one?
I didn't even know there was such a thing. All right, government, it's on the inside of the door. It's not like I'm putting it on the outside. I mean, if you got matte, I think it would look better.
The problem is the inside is gloss too. It's like half gloss, half matte. None of the edge tape is going to be on the outside. It's
If we got matte, give me matte.
No, just do the gloss on it.
Oh, here we go. Why are you not using matte? And then I'm like, all right, give me matte. No, just use the gloss.
Usually when you see people going for a stealth wrap or a stealth paint protection film install, they want to change the look of the car, but don't want to go too crazy with changing the entire base color of the car. This customer specifically wanted to get a stealth wrap, so she keeps the white in the vehicle, but make it into a satin look. Makes it a little bit aggressive. A lot of people prefer the satin or matte look rather than the gloss look, just to change it up. But at the end of the day, you're still protecting the entire car because the stealth is a paint protection film, and overall it just gives it a little bit different of a look while still maintaining the same base color.